I'm again Ravi. What's my and what's my school? So this is our series of guest posting means job. Guest. This is the introduction and what is the work of guest posting. So guest posting means in short form job. Guest posting known as guest blogging too. So guest posting is like that I have taken a low site article and I am going to publish it on the top website. So we are going to know how can we do guest posting in our simple Chrome page. So easily we are going to come here and going to write here Google. We are going to write here Google Sheet and then enter. So basically we are going to collect. We are going to collect article. We are going to collect emails of the websites of Flow and Hi2. So we are going to do third party work. So I am going to easy copy it. Okay, I am going to click here and this is and then I am going to copy this URL and then I am going to post. I am going to make a new shortcut. So this is my new shortcut. So we are going to know we are going to open a blank spreadsheet like this. So we are going to give them a space. I am going to do it like this. I am going to write here websites and then website emails are longer, so we are going to do it longer, and then there will be price. So this is our basic system of guest post. So we are going to easily come here and we are going to make a new page. So we are going to work like this. Write for us plus technology. So this is I had opened. So this is our write for us technology. I am going to click this site and then this is the top rank. So I am going to come down and first I am going to see the contact us like this. This is the URL. First I am going to copy it and going to post it here like this. So then I am going to come back in it and then I am going to copy the URL of it and then posting here back like this. And then I am going to writing the price and then first I am going to make now new file, like I am going back and technology blog write for us. I am going to first copy the URL and then going to post it here, and I am going to come in email and going to find the email that I am going to come down, you are going to come and you are going to see this is the email. We are going to copy the email and then going to post it here like this. So we are going to do it right like this, and then this is our simple. Now we are going to work. This is the example. So I am going to name the spreadsheet will be technology number 1, and then I am going to come back in my spreadsheet and going to make one more spreadsheet and going to name it technology last, and then I am going to make some place like this and like this. So I am going to write here websites, and then I am going to write here email, and then I am going to write here a price, and then we are going to come here back to the Google Chrome page, and then in the last we are going to come here. We are going to come back one more down, modern. For example, this is my Tap Daddy, so I am going to click it, and this is now my file. I am going to down and to the contact us page, and I am going to copy this URL, and then I am going to paste it here, and back on his site I am going to copy the URL of it and then paste it here like this, and then I am going to put my cursor here and then send in. Then I am going to take my page here in this site, I am going to open my I am going to back first, and then I am going to come down the technology number 1, like this. This is movement. Opening here, I am going to copy this URL, and then I am going to put my Gmail here. We are going to wait some time, and then I am going to write here test posting. I am going to write here hello, how are you, how are you. Do you want to post? Do you want to post your articles in this site in low price URL? And then I am going to post my URL like this and doing the end. So there are mistakes I am going to add now, and then I am going to write here thank you, and then I am going to send it like this, and then I am going to close it and going to click in this, and then I am going to give it Gmail too. This is the word in guest posting. I am going to write it guest posting. Hello, how are you? I want to post my article in your site. I'm going to, we have to contact with these two. How are you? So I'm going to send here your site, and then I'm going to come down and write here thank you, and then I'm going to send it to this is the procedure of guest posting. So I think you like my video. I am going to meet you next time. Allah Hafiz.